In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset all settings on an iPhone without losing any data. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to reset all your settings here on an iPhone without losing any data, this guide's for you. Just keep in mind this only does reset your settings, things like your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, notifications, and preferences. It's not going to delete any photos, videos, apps, music, or any other personal data. To do this, first open up your settings app and scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down to the very bottom of this page and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone and hit Reset. It's going to pull up a page that looks like this. From the menu that appears, hit Reset All Settings up at the very top, and a message is going to appear confirming no data or media is going to be deleted. If you do have security delay turned on, you may need to wait up to an hour before continuing. But just hit confirm on this page and your iPhone is going to restart. You may even see the Apple logo appear and a loading bar. This is going to be completely normal. But once your iPhone does boot back up, all your apps, photos, and files are still going to be there. Only your settings are going to be reset. But that's it. Quick and easy. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.